Hey guys, greetings, New Thinking, New Life YouTube channel. This video is going to change the way you interact with people forever. It could change your life dramatically. So what I'm going to tell you is a tactic that is going to make your life a lot different. I want you guys to agree with everybody all the time. And before you click dislike and you exited this video, hopefully you hear me out. I want you to agree with people tomorrow for an entire day, or you can start today. But I don't need you to agree with people and put yourself in situations that are illegal, dangerous, or stupid for you. But I just need you to agree with people and then give your point of view. Try it for a minute. So here's an example. If you get your kids up in the morning and you say, kids, time for school, and the kids go, I don't want to go to school, the knee-jerk reaction would be to argue why the kids have to go to school and say, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. You're going because you need an education. That's why. But instead of that, why don't you just start and say, I agree. When I was younger, I didn't like to go to school some days too, but I just need you to do me a favor and get your clothes on and eat breakfast. Because by doing that, you would disarm that situation. And a person hears, I agree, then that's amazing because they're going, wow, this person agrees with me. You could do it at work too. If you're in any position at work where you have to ask somebody something, maybe you're a manager or a supervisor, you just need to ask a colleague a favor. You say, hey, I need you guys to do blankety blank. And they go, oh, you know what? I really don't got time for the blankety blank. And you go, I agree. I know you don't have a lot of time for that. But of course, by getting that done, we can move forward with the project as a whole. For example, so you're going to have your reasons why you need something to be done. And then when you come at a person, you ask them a favor, you ask them this or that or the other, and then they say an objection. And then your knee-jerk reaction is, argue your position. But don't argue your position right away. Just say, I agree, and I completely understand with what you're saying. And you're not just placating people, because obviously you can agree and you can put yourself into their position, which is a great place to be, because it's good to see the other person's side of the argument. Too many times these days, nobody sees the other side of the argument. And oftentimes, they're two sides of the same coin, so to speak, to coin a phrase. I see what I did there. So try to just say, I agree and I understand where you're coming from. Be sincere about it. If you can't be sincere about it, at least say it so they feel like you care what they have to say, because you should care what they have to say, instead of just forcing out a rebuttal. That'll help you talk to people and communicate better. That'll also make you and them both happier, so you spread some happiness into the world. And it's a great way to learn to be with people, and it's very hard to do, trust me. If you start this, you can do it all day on the first day. I'd be very surprised, but I'd be very proud of you. If you're just browsing through and you like this video, click the like button, and maybe you want to subscribe. You can hit the bell to find out when I do more videos. If you guys want to go ahead and leave a comment, I'd love to hear from you. I do videos 3 to 5 times every single week. Thanks for watching, sharing, and liking, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.